Jasmine with WTI, and did you know that having a salt lamp in your space purifies the air and helps you not only breathe better, but sleep better, stay focused, stay relaxed? So many amazing benefits, and that's why I love my salt lamp from Spantik. The company is so thoughtful. They provide 2 different light bulbs for you for when one comes out, and it's super easy to put together. Once you screw in your light bulb, you just put it in through the bottom like that, and you can use your dimmer switch to lighten and brighten the lights. And then you're just gonna place your little salt rocks all over however you want. It's so much fun. And then place it wherever you're going to display it. So I have it in my office, and I feel like it's so relaxing, and it just helps me focus throughout the day. And I love the warm glow that the light provides, especially when it's dark. It feels so nice to have that little glow of pink salt. And here it is with the light off, and here it is with the light on, and you can dim it as much as you want, which is such a nice feature. So if you're looking for a way to stay focused, to breathe better, sleep better, all of the above, definitely get yourself a salt lamp, but not just any salt lamp. This one from Spantik checks all the boxes. It's great quality, made in Pakistan with real salt, and you're going to love it. That's my point of view.